Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Holden Trax LTZ, stock reference number 5764. The shape runs from the 10th month 2016 through to the 12th month 2020. It has an A14 NET, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. A14 NET, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has no damage, camera type. Right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door has no damage. Right power door mirror. Driver side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, MyLink, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio and phone buttons.